Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hi folks, welcome to our dairy farm, the Hersheypark. Taste the love, taste the love, taste the love.
There's my favorite. Cookie!
I'm at the factory, everybody!
Hi, Cookie!
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod.
Wow!
Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Oh, we're about to get roasted! Yeah, get it roasted.
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large
feels
revolving
nice.
roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hi, Hersheypark.
Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make warm and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machine squeezes the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory
And the
for
tubes that
delivery.
transparent
Hershey
the
is one
milk
of the only companies
and
in
the
the
tubes
world
that
that
especially
uses
the
fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Yes, I can smell it. Smell it from here. That's so cool. We want to. Oh, here we go.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings
Oh,
out the
wow.
chocolate's rich taste.
You smell that? I want to get that
Of
chocolate.
course, that wonderful
Yeah.
snack. We feed the chocolate pump through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi, everybody. These concha machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined corn into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats
It's
the
cute,
chocolate,
right?
developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth over it
Like you see?
until it reaches this
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
And they're the wrappers.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dog bars. Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Yeah, they are sweet. Oh, the kisses. There's so many kisses. I want to get them. Oh, they took the Kit Kats out.
Looks like our packages are ready to go.
Yeah.
And I better get going too.
Yeah.
It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Bye. I will. Bye. You're very welcome. Love you too.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone.
Thanks for coming.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.